Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Good morning viewers. Today I am Ikhsannul Mustaqim. My nickname Ikhsan. This is my partner. Name is Ronaldo Hutagaol. Nickname is Ricky. Today I will accompany you all to listen to the part from horizontal music. Here I use safety equipment such as Google safety, webcam, and helmet. Before I get part of the horizontal milling machine, I have to prepare for safety first to be safe from workplace accident. Safety Google helps to protect the eye from flashes of drum, dust, and fire. Webcam helps to protect the body from flashes, drum, and fire. Helmet helps us to protect the head from sharp objects and objects that fall from above. This milling machine was made by the off-brand of Professor Creat and was operated in this workshop in 2013. The weight of the machine is about 2 meters and the height of this machine is about 3 meters. I will mention the main part of the horizontal milling machine. 1. Column. 2. Spindle. 3. Arbor. 4. Overarm. 5. Table. 6. Saddle. 7. Knee. And 8. Bed. Hello sir, I have one question for you. Can you definition and function of horizontal milling machine?
Here I will explain the function of the horizontal milling machine, part that my partner Ikhsan previously explained. First, I will explain the definition of milling machine. Milling machine is one of the conventional machines that are capable of working flat, upright, sloping surface, even groove, and gear. The milling machine is divided into 3 types, namely the first, vertical milling machine. Number 2, horizontal milling machine. 3, universal milling machine. And the machine we will explain is a horizontal milling machine. Previously, my friend mentioned the main part of the milling machine, and I will explain the function of the part. Number 1, column. Column. The column function as a support or possession of the engine part. Number 2, spindle. The function spindle to rotate the arbor along with the blade. Number 3, arbor. Arbor function as blade position. Number 4, overarm. The overarm on the milling machine function as an arbor support table. Number 5, table. The milling machine table function as the place where the workpiece will be spared. Number 6, saddle. The saddle function as a place for the table to rest. Number 7, knee. The knee function as a saddle seat. Number 8, bed. The bed function as a place to rely on the main component of the milling machine and measure the result of workman's. A varied caliper is used.
Bacot.
You explain, sir.
Wih,
That is what you can. Explain if there are wrong. One. Explain. Action with a bagus thought. Thank you for attention. See you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.